How to change your country on Asphalt 9. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your country in Asphalt 9. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the app. You can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, open it up and this is what the lobby looks like. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to the settings. To head over to your settings, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner, right besides new offer. After you do that, tap on games settings. It's right in the middle. And after you tap on it, you will see language and country. Tap on language and country. And from here you will be able to change your country. So on the right hand side you will see your country, so you can scroll down, simply select the country that you want, tap on it and tap on yes, and after you do that you're basically good to go. That is how you can change your country on Asphalt 9. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and